What else do you have to do? You gotta just start investing. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. So in today's video, we are going to be selling more stocks. I already told you guys I'm in the mood of selling stocks because the stock market is high. It's high. This thing is high. So I'm in the mood of selling. So what we are doing today is we are selling out of Berkshire Hathaway. This is Warren Buffett's company. I'm a big fan of Warren Buffett. I've learned a lot from his investment philosophy. And now I'm happy that I'm able to participate in some of the gains that he has had recently. Now, let's go through a few things here in this portfolio. Now, again, like I said, it's a clone of Warren Buffett's portfolio. And I started with $268. Kept on putting money into it little by little. And I've been able to put in about $5,110. Now, we've made a gain of about 50%, profit of $1,243, and a dividend payment of almost $250. Now, for 4 years, it's paid $250, gained 50%. Again, it's okay. It's not like crazy, but one of the reasons why I'm selling it, again, I'm raising money to invest into my Turo business. But the other reason why I'm selling this part of the portfolio in particular is that Apple, I have Apple here, I have Bank of America, American Express. I have those already in my passive income section. I don't have a lot of the oil. I don't think I have Coca-Cola, but I have Moody's, I have Visa, I have Citigroup, right? So a lot of this stuff kind of overlap. And then some companies that I don't want to invest in, like GM, HP, I don't want to invest in those companies, right? So I think it's about time that I path ways with this portfolio and just sell it and take that money and put it elsewhere in the portfolio. So that is exactly what I'm going to do in today's video. So stick around, watch me sell it. That's what I'm doing in today's video. So coming back into it, you guys can see right at the top of me right here, we can see there's a pending sales of the amount that I'm supposed to sell. So there's a pending sale of that. We've raised about 23,000 in the portfolio yet. Now we're still not done. We're still going to be selling until we can raise about 30 to about 35,000 out of the portfolio. We're looking to raise money to put it into my Turo business. I'm looking to get to about 15 cars, and that should be bringing in roughly about $130 to $140,000 a year in income. Now, for me to sacrifice about 30,000 to pay down some debt, to be able to refinance some cars and be able to have access to bigger money, to be able to increase the cars that I have, I think it's something awesome. So I will have to, go through the process and just sell some stocks here because it's very important that I do that. So I will go ahead and sell some of the stocks here that are lagging. I'm going to go ahead and sell those. So stay tuned. So at this rate, I am pretty much done selling out of some of the categories that I said I sold out of. All of this ARC, Ultra Aggressive, Global Value, Global Growth, Berkshire Hathaway. Sold a little bit of some stock in my ETFs as well. Now that is the main sell that I'm looking to do. Now there is still some sell that I'm going to sell in here. Like I have utilities, I want to sell out of it. I have gaming, I also want to sell out of it. But I'm going to talk about that in a separate video of its own. And the main thing that I'm trying to point out to you guys in this video is that I want to raise some money. Like we've raised about 30 to about 35% of the portfolio that I want to sell and invest that money into a different side of the portfolio, somewhere else in my, general portfolio, like in my Turo business. Because I think if I invest into that more, then I'm able to make a lot more money over time, because the Turo business right now, if I don't invest more money in it, is like in a limbo. So I need to be able to invest money in it and prepare for the busy time. So that is pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you later. Love you all.